Hey everyone, Gavin back from thrivewp.com. This video we're going to have a quick look at how to set the home page for your WordPress website. So for a lot of themes, they kind of default to showing your blog posts, and that's partially because WordPress originally kind of started as a blogging platform. And then over the years it's kind of evolved and people use it for many different things now, and one of those is kind of main websites rather than just blogs. So you will often want to display, a main home page that's more of a static page that provides lots of information about your site or your service or who you are. Okay, so you might have installed WordPress, you might have got your site up and running, you've got some posts, what have you, but you're just trying to change the home page or set the home page. It's really, really simple. So we're just going to hop over to our kind of testing demo site. It's kind of just got random content at the moment. So this is currently what the home page is set as. This is the page that it looks like. So if you want to change the home page to display something different on the main page, so that is, the main page of the URL, then you can do it quite simply. All you need to do is go into your admin dashboard, okay, and then you scroll down to settings and then go to reading. Alright, so when you first install WordPress, it defaults to kind of just your latest posts. So what will happen is it will just show your latest posts and that's it. I don't think it will work on this theme because I don't think we've got any posts created yet. No, but as you can see, it's trying to display latest posts on the home page. So if we had posts, it would display those. But for this instance, we want to set a home page. So the one we did have set was home. So this is essentially what you do. If you want a home page, you would then set your home page and you would choose which page would display your posts. So if you're also creating posts, then you want to make sure you create a page where your posts will display. So we created the page blog, which displays our posts. So if we click save, okay, and then you refresh your page and that will show the home page that we've chosen, and then I think we created the blog page. Let's just see. If we go to blog, yeah, so that's where our post would display if we had posts on the site. So that's how you'd set it. To change it is just as simple. So let's say, for example, we wanted to change our home page to not the actual home page. We wanted to change it to this, the gutter cleaning page, for instance. We'll click save, and we'll go back and go to our home page. And now, as you can see, that is set as our home page. So whenever anyone comes to the main domain, they will be shown this page as the home page. And of course, you can choose whichever page you like. If you want to create another one, you simply go over to Pages, Add New, okay. And we can do this now just to kind of demonstrate. So here's your editing kind of window. This is a new Gutenberg editor which was introduced from WordPress 5.0. So you'll add your title. You can add then add your content. You might want to add I don't know, an image. Let's just grab something from our library, that'll do. You might want to then let me see, what else would we like to do? You might want to add a heading for your page. You might then want to add another something or other. What can we add? Might want to add a quote. So we'll just type some random text for now. Just makes it a little bit quicker. So you might want to do that. You might want to add a cover image. Quite often you'd add that at the top of the post actually, but we'll just leave it here for now. So let's just go to Media Library. Let's find something that's big enough to do that with. That'll do. So cover image, and then you can add a title to that, which is great. You can change the overlay colors and so on, whichever you like. I think I will go with We'll just go with a darker kind of blackish colour. Yeah, so we'll do that. So that's our page kind of created. We can then publish that. Okay, so then when we go back to settings and reading, okay, we can then go and find that page. So we gave it a title of title. We can click save, and we can refresh our main page. And then as you can see, now our home page is set to this one. Okay, and you can see how different things display as well. So you've got your heading, you've got your quote, you've got your cover image that's you know, got the overlay and what have you. All right, so that's how you set your home page, and that's how you can change it. So we'll change it back to our main home page that is actually created to be our home page on this kind of demo site. We'll refresh that, and there we go. We're back to our home page that we've created. So there we go. That's how you do it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Subscribe. You know, you can keep track of, you know, future videos. If you like our videos and tutorials, drop a comment. Let us know if you want us to create a video about something specific, and we'll have a look and see if we can do that. Cheers for now. Thanks very much.